Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to quickly go over my Sharesies portfolio and what the returns have been like over the past couple of years. Sorry about my voice, I'm a little bit sick at the moment. I hope I don't have that COVID-19. So firstly, I'll tell you a little bit about Sharesies. So it's a cool little New Zealand startup. They've been around for about 3 years now, and they're basically trying to make investing more accessible for the everyday person. It's aimed at beginner investors, it's low fees. You can see here how much your returns could potentially be if you invest in the NZX 50, I think it is. You can see a bit more information there about what it offers and why you should choose Sharesies. So you can invest in a lot of different companies and also funds. So I'm invested in both companies and funds. And it also has a cool little auto invest option that you can choose. And here we have the monthly and the annual fees that you can pay. So now I'm going to take you through my Sharesies portfolio here. So you can see here that this is the amount I have, so 2,700 at the moment. It has taken a bit of a hit with the coronavirus. You can see my risk tolerance there, so about 20% lower risk, 30% medium risk, and 50% higher risk stocks. So you can just swipe over here, and this is the total return on your investment. So at the moment it's a loss of minus 450. So about minus 5% at the moment because of the recent decline in the stock markets. So not too pleased with that, but at least we can use dollar cost averaging here and get those returns back up. So here you can see my returns. So the line here, obviously the further away the pink line is from the grey one, the higher percentage your returns are. So I've been a member since 14th September 2017, so I'll just go through quickly here what my returns have been every year. So about September 2018, it was about up $55, and that was a portfolio value of 3,400. So that was a 1.6% return at this stage. And then we'll go through another year, and then we'll go to my second year, so September 2019. So where is it? So September 2019, the returns were about $270 and portfolio value about 2,800. So at the moment here it was a 9% return in total, so 9.7% return in total. So the past year, I'll just go through it quickly here. We've had steadily increasing returns until COVID-19 hit. So I maxed out there at about 368. So about 365 was my highest return. And then we'll go along here until the past 3 months. So you can see went from being up there to dropping down at the moment to about minus 450. So I'll just go through now what funds and companies I'm invested in. So I've got the Global Bond Fund, Global Property. I won't click into them all, but we've got, I'll just click into some of them. So here, this Global Water one, that was quite a good investment there. So I invested right at the perfect time. That obviously wouldn't happen very often. And then it's gone up quite a bit, and that's still doing reasonably well. So there it's plus 20% still. NZ Bond, that's not doing too badly either. So I've done quite a few investments into that one. And then, so that's up about 7% still. Then we've got a couple more there. So NZ Core up 13% still. NZ Dividend, I just got the NZ Dividend recently, so that's why it's gone down quite a bit. So I only started investing in that in November. So if I caught that a little bit earlier, it would still be up a little bit. We've got NZ Midcap, NZ Property. So I think that's just taken a bit of a plunge as well. So obviously everything's going to go down for a little while longer probably. So then we've got the companies down here. So the companies are a little bit riskier than the funds. So these are my company returns here. They aren't doing the best, but it is what it is. Sky was a terrible investment. Wouldn't recommend that one. Unsure how long I'll hold that for. And then we've got Westpac and Z down the bottom, not doing overly well either. So yeah, that's a quick run through of my Sharesies there. So let me know if you have any questions or anything. Let us know what you think the stock market's going to do, whether now's the best time to buy or you should wait a little bit longer. So feel free to use the Sharesies referral link in the description below. You'll get a free $5 and I'll also get a free $5 and I'll put that towards a few beers or some more shares. Cheers.